Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English class for the students of nursery. And our today's topic is fill in the blanks. FB means filling the blanks, and this is our 19th lecture and our SW number is 17. Okay, dear students, so let's start our topic. Look, fill in the blanks to complete the words. Okay, our first number, that means A nong, we can see here a word which the word name is watch. Okay, so here we can find that W. I have underlined here because you have to write here that which word you have to write here to make this word, which letter you have to write here. Okay, look here, W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Okay, dear students, you will get here a gap here and here, and you have to write in the first gap A, and in the next gap you have to write C. Okay, so the spelling of the word is what? W-A-T-C-H, watch. Watch means what? Ghori. Okay, look, B now. In our next word we can see that here I have written violin, and here I have underlined under the word, under the letter O. Okay, so you will get the gap at the first gap. In the first gap you have to write O, and in the next gap you have to write I, and the full spelling of this word is V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Okay, I am repeating this once again, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Look, dear students, now our next word, number C, crow, and the spelling is C-R-O-W, crow. Dear students, in the first gap here you have to write R. You will find a gap here, and there you have to write R, and in the next gap after the letter O you have to write in this gap W. So the full word is crow, and its spelling is C-R-O-W, crow. Crow means what? All of you know that crow means cat. Okay, our next word is what? Number D, black, and its spelling is B-L-A-C-K, black. Okay, dear students, you will get here a gap in your in this word. You will get here a gap, and then you will get here again, once again another gap. Okay, in the first gap you have to write here L, and in the next gap you have to write here A. Okay, so B-L-A-C-K, black. Okay, dear students, look, our next word is sheep, and its spelling is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Dear students, you will get, at first you will get here a gap, and there you have to write H. Okay, you have to write H, and then after the letter E you will get here another gap, and there you have to write E. Okay, so the spelling of this full word is what? S-H-E-E-P, sheep. I am again repeating this, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, and the meaning of the sheep is what? Jahaz. Yes. Look, dear students, now I am going to the next word, F nong word, and the word name is what? Leaf. What is this word's name? Yes, dear students, this word's name is leaf, and the spelling is L-E-A-F, leaf, and the spelling is what? L-E-A-F, leaf. And in the first gap you will find here a gap, and you have to write in the first gap E. Okay, in the first gap you have to write here E, L-E-A, then you will get another gap where you have to write F. So the full word is what? L-E-A-F, leaf. I am repeating this word once again, L-E-A-F, leaf. Okay. Then our next word is beak, and its spelling is what? B-E-A-K, beak. Dear students, after the letter B you will find here a gap, and in this gap you have to write E, and then you will get another gap here, and here you have to write A, and then you have to write K. Okay, and the full words spelling is what? B-E-A-K, beak. I am repeating this once again, B-E-A-K, beak. Okay, dear students, I think you have no problem here. You will not find any kind of problem here. Okay, our next our next word is rabbit. Our 8th long word is what? Rabbit, and its spelling is what? R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. I am repeating this once again, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit means, all of you know that rabbit means khargosh. Look, dear students, after the letter R we have to write, you will get here a gap, and in this gap you have to write the letter A. Okay, R-A-B-B, then you will find here another gap, and here you have to write I. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Our next letter is T, last letter is T. Then the full spelling is R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Dear students, you have to make homework from these fill in the blanks, any 5 from A to E. That means A to E you have to make fill in the blanks as your SW work, and this is your 17th long SW. Dear students, you have to submit your SW on next Sunday. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing this at your home. See you again. Allah Hafiz.